Hi guys, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. So I know I have been revealing a lot of secrets lately. I mean, it's the second one, so it's not a lot. But this one is about me. It's about how I do one certain step that I somehow never really talked about, and I don't know why, because it's actually a really important step in my drawing routine. And I'm sure some of you might have seen how I do it, but I never really told you how to do it. I never told you how important it is to actually do it to get the same result as I have. So if you want to draw when it comes to line art a little bit more like me, to get effect a little bit more like me, then this video is for you. I'm sure this tip will be really handy for a lot of you. Without this step in my drawing routine, without this step in my drawing routine, my drawings would just look awful. Like, maybe not awful, but meh. So, what this hack does is the difference between this and this. I'm pretty sure it's pretty obvious what's different right here. As you can see, this one has this really nice, vibrant depth to it. Yeah, I will explain it in two steps. After the first one, it will go from this to this. And after the second step, it will go from this to this. So, I hope you understand the basics of what we are going to do. Okay, so let's do the first step out of the two, which is first, duplicate the line art layer and turn off the opacity of the upper layer. 2. The line art underneath, make it some vibrant color of your own choice, like red or pink, like really saturated. And on Procreate, use color balance effect. And after that, you can use the hue, saturation and brightness effect to play with it a little bit more. After you change the color of the underneath layer of line art to some vibrant color, you need to go back to the top layer, which is still black, and take the airbrush eraser and erase some parts which you want to give some warmth or just some color, some depth. I most of the time choose like these places, like on the lips, maybe also on the top of the lips, like nose, or maybe underneath the eyes. I can't really explain it too well, but it just works really well in some places. Yeah. After you have done that, you are done. Let's go to number 2, which is also pretty easy. Like, the whole thing is easy, so this is what you can expect after you finish step 2. Make another layer underneath those 2 layers that you already have, and take a slightly bigger brush. It doesn't need any texture. In fact, I think a brush without any texture would work the best for this step. And also take a vibrant color. It doesn't need to be like, you can experiment with it and maybe choose a not vibrant color, like just some shadow for the line art. But what I always do is like more vibrant and darker color for this step. So take a vibrant and slightly darker color and follow the line strokes on the top and underneath, just on both sides of the line stroke, and just follow it. I can't give any real logical explanation why this looks good, why it gives really nice effects to your drawing, but it just does. So let me just explain how I do it, and don't seek any logical explanation from me. Just, for example, on the face, try to take a color that will fit the skin color, and maybe on the lips, try to make the color from the lips slightly more vibrant and slightly darker, and maybe on the eyes something different, near the hair maybe a little bit more color of the hair, or you can still just do the skin color, because it touches the skin color, so you can do whatever, you know. Just the fact that the line art has some shadow to it, it just becomes thicker and it gives this kind of effect that it has more depth. It just works well, you know. So that's the only thing you need to do. And after you have done that, after you have made a thick layer underneath those two layers, it should just look good. And there are not any more tips I can give you on this step. I just hope it will work for you, because I feel like it can really help you get the effect that you want. Or you can take this lesson and experiment with it and make something slightly different out of it. Right now we went from this to this and we are done, and this is the progress from the start until now. It's again a really short video for you, because I just tried to take some really important, really interesting and game-changing things that I want to explain to you, because I feel like it's just, I just want to let you know, you know, I just want you to know. I'm sharing all the important knowledge I can share with you all the time, so when I come up with something new that I'm doing and I didn't think about sharing yet, then I'll make another video. And yeah, so I hope that this video was handy. I hope you learned something from it. And if you like this tip, if you like this art secret that I never really told you before, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can share more art secrets with you. And leave a comment below if you like this video. Let me know any thoughts on this video. What can I do better? What other videos do you want me to make? Because I listen to you. I literally do what you want. So just give me some ideas, or give a thumbs up to comments that gave ideas that you would want me to see, to do. So I will do it. Thank you guys for watching. I am so happy that you stayed for the whole video, and I hope to see you soon. And if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.